Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkBook 14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue at hand is that your Lenovo ThinkBook 14 won't charge. This problem can arise due to a faulty battery, charging port, or even the charger itself. If left unaddressed, you may find your laptop completely unusable, leading to potential loss of work or important data. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement battery specifically designed for the Lenovo ThinkBook 14. First, ensure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic prying tool to gently open the back cover of the laptop. Start at one edge and carefully work your way around to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component that is attached with screws. Remove the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, being careful to keep track of them, as they can be small and easy to misplace. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the battery cables from the motherboard. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old battery removed, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring a secure fit. Replace the screws to hold the battery in place and double-check that everything is connected properly. Once done, carefully reattach the back cover, pressing down gently to ensure it clicks back into place. Finally, plug your laptop back in and power it on to check if it charges correctly. If you see the charging indicator light up, you've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to use the original charger and avoid letting your battery drain completely on a regular basis. Keeping your laptop clean and free from dust can also prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.